Are you ready to try our most viral recipe of all time? It's gone viral both on Facebook and TikTok. It is slow-cooked Salisbury steak. And bear with me, I know it's cooked in the slow cooker, but this is to make your life easier. If you want to cook it in a skillet, you go for it. Use pre-formed burger patties and just salt and pepper them. We also like to use a little Montreal steak seasoning. Then you're going to add a little bit of chopped onion. I've also used the dehydrated onions in this, and it's great. Throw in some fresh mushrooms. Then you'll take a 1/4 cup of flour with a cup of beef broth and stir it up really well, or shake it like we did here. Add it in, and then you're going to cook on low for 4 to 6 hours. Now your meat is going to brown on the outside, but not as much on the inside. Do not be alarmed. That is totally normal. After 6 hours, it is fully cooked. So don't be scared. We always like to pair these with our favorite Bob Evans mashed potatoes and just some steamer green beans we cooked in the microwave, and boom, dinner's done. Easy, and all your meat and potato lovers are gonna go nuts over this. If you'd like more easy recipes like this, then be sure to like and follow, or you can check out our meal plans in the link in our bio. Now let's go eat dinner.